everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm working with LUVME hair again. They sent me this beautiful curly wig. It's a 5x5 closure, y'all. You know I love a 5x5 closure. 5x5 closure is going to save you so much time, okay? And she's looking good. Curls are soft and juicy. It's giving full root to tip. Stop. Anyway, if you guys want to see me unbox this, install it, all that good stuff, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. All right, you guys, we're back and we're working with LUVME hair again. It's been a minute, but they're back, y'all. Let's get into it. All right, so inside you'll get a card, wig cap, and a little baggie with some stuff in it. You get a edge wrap that has their name on there. Cute. This is a little card holder. Oh, it's a mirror holder. How cute. Wow. And it says LUVME right here. This is so cute. Love this. Of course, a baby hairbrush. And then your wig will come in one of these little bags. All right, so this is the wig. It is a curly wig. I forgot the details on this wig, y'all. So please check the description box. This is what the hairline is looking like. Really, really good. The edges are plucked, as you can see. The parting looks really nice. I really like that parting. That looks good. I believe this is like 22 inches. I believe it's 22 inches. I'm not sure. But it smells good. The hair feels really, really good. Here's a close-up on the ends. It is a 5x5 closure, a wig with the adjustable elastic band. You do have your adjustable straps as well. And let's see, you get 3 combs inside. So she should be real, oh no, just joking. You get 4 combs inside. So she's gonna be real snug and secure. But yeah, she looks really, really good. I'll probably keep this in a middle part since we already got that going for us. And I'm gonna put some foundation on here, cut the lace off, and I will be back to probably just put some water in this and some conditioner. And we'll see how she acting, y'all. We'll see how she acting. She looks good, though. And the hair feels really soft. She feels really soft. Look at those curls. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, I'm all finished. I went ahead and I blow dried the hair, diffused it, put some water, some leave-in conditioner in it, put some foundation on the parting and on the edge line. No baby hairs, but I do have like my natural baby hairs out on the side here, but no baby hairs from the wig. And the lace looks very good. It looks really, really good. Really good. And as you guys know, I love a 5x5 closure wig because they're so easy to install and lay down, and you don't have to worry about the ear tabs or anything like that. So super easy to work with. Love, love, love. And she feels very secure. Like she's not going anywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing these press-ons and the hair keeps on snagging on these raggedy ass press-ons. Anyway, but yes, this hair is very beautiful, very curly. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig, or I might just put like the details like at the bottom of the screen somewhere, because I really forgot the details on this. All I know is it's curly, it's a 5x5 closure wig, and that's it. I don't know what kind of curl it is. I don't know what kind of lace this is. I don't know how long this wig is, okay? But I will have the direct link to the wig in the description box, as well as all the details to this wig as well. And I didn't cut any layers. Oh my gosh. There we go. I didn't cut any layers or anything into the wig, so it's just straight out of the package. And I didn't even pluck the edges at all. So this is straight out of the package. I did not pluck anything, not the part, not the edges. So yeah, so this is straight out of the package, I guess you could say, with some water, leave-in conditioner. And yeah, I did use some of this. What did I use? This Wonder Ponytail Bond. And this works really good. But, you know, I still got my Gossipy too. She ain't going nowhere. But, yeah, she is very cute. It's very summer appropriate. It's very swim-friendly, vacation hair, run errands hair. You know, it's pretty universal. It's a curly wig. So, and I actually really like this length. I like how it's not too long, so it's definitely giving like casual. It's like very casual, wearable length. I like that a lot. But yeah, so that is my review on this wig. I hope you guys really liked it. I really love how soft this hair is. It is so soft, if I didn't mention that. These curls are so soft. It has a lot of body, as you can see. I love it. And if you love curly hair, you'll love this one. Thank you again, Love Me Hair, for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.